Whether it's a cozy night at home or a festive gathering with friends, pasta always finds its way onto the table. But how does a handful of simple ingredients become that twirl-worthy dish everyone loves? Let's roll up our sleeves and discover the journey. From dough to delicious. Every great pasta starts with the basics. Imagine flour, eggs, a drizzle of olive oil, and just a pinch of salt waiting on your kitchen counter. No fancy gadgets required. Just your hands and a little patience. Pile the flour into a mound, make a little well in the center, and crack in those eggs. Next comes the olive oil and that dash of salt. With a fork or your fingers, slowly mix until the dough comes together. Now the real magic begins: kneading. For a good 10 minutes, work the dough until it's beautifully smooth and elastic. Feel the texture change as you push and fold. It's like a mini workout, and the reward is well worth it. Once it's soft and supple, wrap the dough and let it rest for half an hour. Trust us, even the dough deserves a break. This resting step relaxes the gluten, which makes your pasta tender later on. Now, time to shape our creation. Dust your work surface with flour, unwrap your rested dough, and start rolling. Whether you've got a pasta machine or just a humble rolling pin, you want a thin, even sheet. Then slice it up: thick pappardelle ribbons, classic fettuccine, or delicate tagliolini. Each shape has its charm. If stuffed pasta is calling your name, go for ravioli or tortellini. Just spoon on your favorite filling, fold and seal. When it's time to cook, bring a big pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Gently drop in your noodles. Fresh pasta cooks lightning fast, so keep an eye out. 2 to 4 minutes is usually plenty. To achieve that perfect al dente bite, taste as you go. For dried pasta, patience is key. Give it a few minutes longer. But pasta isn't complete without sauce. Whether you're stirring up a slow-simmered tomato ragu, whisking a creamy Alfredo, blitzing basil into pesto, or just tossing garlic in olive oil, the sauce should complement the pasta, not smother it. And here's a secret: a splash of that starchy pasta water helps your sauce cling, creating a luscious, glossy finish. Finally, the best part: serving. Plate your pasta, crown it with grated parmesan or fresh herbs, and dig in. There's something satisfying about transforming flour and eggs into a bowl full of comfort. So next time you twirl a fork full of pasta, remember, from dough to delicious takes a little heart, a little hands-on time, and maybe, just maybe, a sprinkle of cheese on top. Buon appetito!